Hi, my name is Kim and welcome to new episode. In this episode I'm testing K-3 Mark III with video. So I'm using 55-300 PLM lens and I got inspired by Kobie to try something like this. I don't know, is this good? I'm a little disappointed for the picture quality. Okay, it's focus. The Pentax focus quite nice when you're moving the camera, pointing the camera to different places. It gets the focus quite nice, but when I tested, I think my face is not sharp. Or it looks different than I'm used to with the phone. So tell me, do I try to use Pentax with video in next episodes, at least at home when I'm filming these kind of things? And the second thing, and my next video, I was thinking to make it from this lens. I already have been making test shots like a week or so when the weather allowed me to film, and this is 18-250 mm lens. This is super zoom. I think this is quite interesting lens, and I think this is better than I expected. And big question in that video will be, is this all you ever need? This one lens? I think the biggest problem with this lens is that is not weather sealed. So I'm a little bit afraid to use this in bad weather. But that test is going to be quite interesting because I like to use this lens. You don't have to worry about the lens changes, or you just walk and shoot there and close and far. And I think this is nice, and that video is coming soon. But back to that video filming with the Pentax. What do you think? Should I test that feature more? Because I would like to use Pentax for the video also, because that expands the camera use quite much. Thank you so much for watching, and we see in the next one.